Am I responsible for decedent's deaths? If you're grieving about a recent death of a loved one, the last thing you want to do is to worry whether or not you are now responsible for new deaths. I'm Katya Sterdlov, a probate attorney, and I'm here to tell you when and under what circumstances you're responsible for someone else's deaths. First, the bad news. If you and the decedent had joint debts together, such as a car or a mortgage, or if you and your spouse had joint IRS debts, or if you signed up as a guarantor on someone else's loan and your name is still on the debt, then you are responsible. Usually, the survivor of the two is responsible for 100% of the debt. Sometimes the mortgage or the debt document specifies a percentage. Now for the good news. If the decedent had the debts in his or her name alone, then you are not responsible. The decedent's estate is responsible for the outstanding debts. The estate are the assets that were left in the person's name alone. Usually, the administrator or the executor is responsible for negotiating the creditor's claims, but only to the extent there are assets available in the decedent's estate to satisfy these claims. If there are not enough assets, then these claims do not get paid, period. Remember, if the debt was in the decedent's name alone, then you are not responsible to pay it. It does not matter if the decedent was a close relative or a spouse. It does not matter that the credit card companies or the hospital is calling you and hounding you to pay it. You have no moral and no legal obligation to pay someone else's debts. If you have paid the debts for which you were not responsible and you would like to see if you can get reimbursed, or if you're getting hounded by persistent creditors of the decedent, or if you have general questions about the probate process, please book a consultation on the link below and we will be happy to assist you.